Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my vlog video. It's me again. Here now I'm after took a bath, or I'm just finish my shower activity inside my bedroom. And now, because I'm have what I'm have clothes, or I'm have dirty clothes, and I'm finish my washing time, and then I'm took a bedroom took a bed inside my bedroom, and now I'm want to hanging up all my clothes. And now actually 9 a.m. or yes 9 a.m. Not a.m. 9 p.m. in Jakarta City. I'm after finish my bedroom activity, like wash my face and wash my clothes all. So now you can see this is all of my clothes. I have to, or I wanna hanging up this both of my underwear, my shirt, this shirt and pants, everything I wear every day. But before hanging up, I have to get a hanger. Yes, his name is tools. Name is hanger. In Indonesian, we say hanger. I need maybe 7, 1, 2, 7 or 8, because I'm wash all my daily daily clothes and my campus clothes. 1, 2, 3. I need more, so I'm get from my friends what storage for. So I'm pick, this is my friend's own 2, 6, 7. Yes, I need 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is 3 my own, and this is 4 my friend's hanger. And now let's go to second floor, to balcony, and just hanging all my clothes. So guys, I'm at my balcony here. Look, Jakarta City at night. Yeah, this is, you know lah, I have to hanging up. Okay guys, I'm wash, or I'm finish my make activity, my wash and my clothes all hanging up. Looks here, this is all my clothes, and now I'm want get back to my bedroom. So I think this is for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.